So now when we have our sphere, we can create another sphere by pressing tab and start typing sphere. Then we will create an attribute wrangle node. Just start typing AWV. We will rename our sphere yellow sphere, and we will rename our wrangle node a yellow color, just the yellow color. Connect our sphere with the wrangle node and minimize the window. We will change the center of the sphere by dragging. Then to see our sphere at the same time, to see them both at the same time, we will press tab and start typing merge, create merge node, and connect our spheres or our wrangle nodes to the merge node. Now we have our yellow color. Let's see if we have in our yellow color, in the attribute wrangle, we will write if at frame is less or equal 120, because we have here 120 in the previous color. And then we have the result. The result will be our color. We'll set our CD attribute to 000. Okay. Let's see. So let's see. It should be black, and it's the black color. Okay. Now let's see it's working. Then we write if, else if our frame or at frame is bigger or equal than 121, then our color will get yellow. Our CD will be set to yellow. "110" in the parentheses. That's the yellow color. Then we will write the rest of the expression. 111. So we need to return to the black color. So if at frame or our frame is bigger than 100, say just for example 100, it will be reverted to the black color again. So from black color to the yellow color and to the black color again. So we'll set our CD attribute to the black color, 000 in the parentheses. Now it's working. So red color, yellow. When we have our red sphere and the yellow color, so let's create another sphere. Let's move our sphere. So it will be sphere 2. Let's create the expression for that sphere. So Windows, animation editors, expression editor. So we'll assign blend material, and we will rename this material yellow. Just yellow. Press enter and select our material in the hypershade editor. Now our material is selected, and go to our expression editor and select. We need to switch from by expression name to by object attribute name to see our color. As just for example, color R. We will write our color. You just might copy this attribute and copy this attribute 9 times, and then we just write RGB. Just RGB, red and green, blue channels. And then we write if our frame is less or equal to 100 to 120. So up to this frame we need to have the black color. Okay, if our frame is less or equal than 120, then the result, in the curly brackets we have the result. So our color R is equal 0, 0, 0. If our frame is bigger or equal 121, then the color will be yellow. So the yellow color will be 110, and add with the semicolon. Just end with the semicolon. And then the last part, if our frame is bigger than 100, just say 151, then in the curly brackets we have the result. So our channel is equal to 0, 0, 0 in the curly brackets. Just hit create. Now it's working. So let's see. We have our frame 120. So it's working. Okay. Now when we finish our yellow sphere, just tab and create sphere, and create our attribute wrangle node. Just pressing tab and start typing AW. So let's rename our sphere green sphere. Connect to the attribute wrangle node and connect to the merge node. and then we will change the center of our sphere. So now let's start typing if our frame is less or equal 151. Why 151? Because in the yellow color we have our frame 151, so we will write 51. So then the result, so we will set, so the condition, the result of the condition will be set color to the black color. So starting from the 151 we will have the black color, and then we write else if at frame is bigger or equal 152, then our color will be set to the green. So we write at cd equals set 0 1 0. So we will set our attribute color to the green color. Then we will change our color back to the black color, so we revert to the black color. So we write if at frame is bigger or equal to 120 in the parentheses, that's the condition, and the result will be our CD attribute set to the black color again. So we write at CD equals set 0 0 0 in the parentheses and ends with the semicolon. So let's check if it's working. So it's working. Red, yellow, green. So it's working. So the colors are changing in the progress of going in the timeline. So let's go back to Maya. So now we have our red and yellow colors. They're working. So let's create a new sphere. Should just so we create another sphere, and we will move our sphere slightly up. So we need to assign again a blend material. We'll rename our material, our blend material green. So that's the sphere 3. So we'll start typing our code in the expression editor. Open the expression editor and just we'll type 2 slashes and write if to create an expression and press edit. And let's change the name of our expression. So we will write expression name sphere 3 and press edit. So if our frame is less or equal 151, just press edit. So sorry, it should be 152, and we have the result. Just let's select our green material in the hyperset editor. So we will have by object and attribute name our attributes. So we'll just copy green color R channel and back to the by expression. So we write just copy and paste our green color R channel. So we write green color R equals 0 and green color green channel equals 0 and green color blue channel 0. So R 0, green 0 and blue channel 0. And just put semicolon. Don't forget to put semicolon. So now it's working. So if it's less or equal to 151, then it will be black. So we write again our condition. So if our frame is bigger or equal 152 in the parentheses, then in the curly brackets we will have the result. So if our condition is bigger than 152, our result will be the green color. So we write green color R channel. So just copy and paste. So green color R channel equals 0, and green channel equals 1, and green color blue channel equals 0 again. So R0, green 1, and blue 0 again. So then we write if our frame is bigger 220. So we write if our frame is bigger 220, so the result in the curly brackets will be the black color again. So we write green color R equals 0, a green channel equals 0, and green color blue channel equals 0. So press edit, and we just press play to check if it's working. So see, it's working.